Hey everybody, Dave here from Terres Studios, and today I'm going to be doing kale chips in the solar dehydrator, and I thought I'd show you guys how I do it, although I'm doing it differently this time because usually, or last time, I kind of dipped the kale chips in this liquid aminos, which is, if you don't have liquid aminos, it's kind of like the same thing as soy sauce basically, so you can use soy sauce. But I dipped them in the liquid aminos, and then I had a plate with the nutritional yeast flakes, which I like. They're kind of a cheesy kind of flavor, and high in B vitamins and good for you, they say. Anyway, so then I would wet them with the liquid aminos, and then I had a plate with the nutritional yeast flakes, and I would put them on there. But today I wanted to just kind of save time, so I'm just going to kind of douse these with some of the liquid aminos and then just sprinkle some stuff on and kind of mix it all up, and then we'll go ahead and go put them in the solar dehydrator. And some of you guys have seen the video before with the window one. I'm doing them in the window type solar dehydrator today. That one is running about 140 right now, and it's I think it's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon, so it's a little bit late to start these. But if they don't finish up, today, tomorrow is supposed to be sunny, so I'll just finish them up tomorrow. But anyway, I'm going to change the camera angle so you can see what these. Watch me put the stuff on these and see how they look. And I never did it this way before, so hopefully it will be okay. It will work out okay. They may not get it coated as evenly as they had. I also thought about maybe mixing the two of these together in a little bowl and then pouring it over, and that might be even a better idea. So anyway, I'll show you guys what I do. Okay guys, so I decided to just go with the sprinkling some of this stuff on, and it seems to just, these kale leaves are kind of like waterproof. The stuff is just not sticking to them. So anyway, there's some down in the bottom of the bowl, and I guess it's getting on them. And so I'm just trying to put enough to get them a little bit wet, kind of massaging them a little bit too. Turn the bowl so you guys can see better. So it looks like there's a lot down the bottom there. I'm just going to start sprinkling some yeast flakes on here and mixing it around. They won't be as perfectly evenly done as my last way, but I think they'll be good this way too. And I think I wasted a lot of yeast flakes last time because everything that was on the plate when I was done had to kind of get thrown out. Yeah, these won't probably get evenly as done, but they're looking pretty good. The yeast flakes, like I say, they're kind of a cheesy, nice flavor if you guys haven't tried them. You can find them at most health food stores and Amazon and iHerb. I like iHerb for stuff. And I think these are about good. So I'm going to go ahead, we'll go over and we'll load these in. Okay guys, so here is the solar dehydrator. And if you haven't seen it, that aluminum, it's sheet aluminum and it's black on the other side with a window. And I'll show you guys after I close it. But so basically I'm just going to make sure these are well, coat these up as best I can and load them in. Hopefully they'll be good. So I don't know how many are going to fit in here. But I won't keep you guys. I'll cut it and then I'll come back when it's all done. Okay guys, so I got them all loaded in there and it looks pretty good. It actually fit just right. Got lucky on that one. So I'm going to close this up, and I'm thinking these will take 2 days because it's late in the day. You might be able to do these in 1 day if you get them in there early, but we'll see. So I'm just going to close it and elevate my, one end, and then later on today, few hours from now, I'll move my 2x4 and elevate the other side, so that way the way the hot air escapes will be alternated. Okay guys, so it's about 6 o'clock now, and I'm going to bring the dehydrator in if these aren't done. Well, either way I bring it in, but I think they're pretty much, well, maybe they're not done. Some of them are done. Yeah, some of them are fairly crunchy. Some of them, they're all stiff enough to hold outright without flipping. So some seem really crunchy. Some seem like they could, like this one feels like it could go a little more. So I'm going to bring it in the studio for the night. This one could go some more. Some of these are done, but I just had supper, so I'm not going to get into snacking on those right now. I'll bring them in. I bring them into my studio at night because I don't want to leave this out here because of the animals. We have bears and possums and raccoons and everything, and plus if we had a shower or something, I didn't want it to get wet. So that's how they look today. So pretty much done. So I'm back out here again, guys, and I had these in here for a couple hours. I put the dehydrator out again this morning, and they're done nicely now. Give you guys a little bit of a closer look. And we're gonna have some tomato sandwiches for lunch, and a few of these on there will be really good. So I just recommend you store these in a plastic Ziploc bag. Get as much air out of it as you can, and seal it up. They're a little tough to get in a jar without breaking them up because they're really crumbly. So yeah, so just put them in a, they're not going to last long, I can tell you that, because they're very tasty. Okay, so here's what I got. That nice plate of kale chips there, and I'm going to put them away in the bag after we have our lunch. We have our tomato sandwiches with some of these on it, and then I'll put them in a Ziploc and we'll save them for later. Okay, so here's all the beautiful kale chips I made out of in the solar dehydrator. So we're gonna enjoy some nice sandwiches, and then I'll pack them all up. And anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you're all doing well and having a great day. It's a beautiful sunny day here, and I should probably reload the dehydrator. But anyway, you guys have a great day. Take care of yourself. Take care of each other, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.